Hey guys, Miss Jeathz here again. So come with me here in my forest cafe. The location of this cafe is very close to Suranari, Korat. My first impression of the cafe is that it feels like I am in Kawyay. So guys, they have variety of foods and beverages that you could choose from. So you could just come here and check it out. We ordered matcha latte, strawberry smoothie, and a carbonara. And let me just rate their carbonara. I really like it, so probably I'll give it 8 out of 10. Just need more bacon, I think. So I was able to finish it. So by the way guys, this is the view that you can see from the second floor of the cafe. And this is gonna be your view on the first floor. Now let's take a look of their outdoor area. The outdoor seats are in fact kinda secluded, making it a great place to spend quality time with your significant other. So it is also shaded by trees and plants, so it will really give you a peaceful ambience. So if you're looking for a place to chill, relax, read a book, you might want to consider coming here instead of going all the way to Kawyay, which is a bit too far. Unless if you have enough time to travel. So yeah, I think that's it for today guys. I hope I was able to give you an idea what place you can visit here in Korat. Once again, this is Miss Jeathz. Have a good day everyone. Bye bye.